We guide you through how to scan a QR code for Microsoft Outlook to connect your PC to your phone quickly and easily. So, the first thing you need to do is to make sure you already have Microsoft Outlook installed on your computer and the Outlook app downloaded on your phone. On your PC, open Outlook, go to Settings, then select the option to add or sync a mobile device where QR code will appear on your screen. Now, grab your phone, open the Outlook app, tap the profile icon or menu, choose Add Account or Connect Device, and select the Scan QR code option. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your PC, then wait a few seconds for the verification to complete. Once connected, your Outlook emails, calendar, notifications will instantly sync between your PC and phone, allowing you to access and manage everything seamlessly on both devices.